Have you noticed we wear only a small portion of what we actually own? Most wardrobes aren't lacking pieces, rather they are lacking clarity. Out of every 10 pieces in your closet, you are probably reaching out for just 2 or maybe 3 items on repeat. And the rest, they are just quietly sitting there creating clutter. That's it. Nothing more than that, just the clutter. Does it happen to you as well? Like when you open your closet, you just see a huge jumble of clothes, huge piles of clothes unorganized. Though you intend to wear something nice and appropriate, something intentional, something cute, but since you're hoarding so much and everything is so unorganized, that every time you open your closet, you feel so overwhelmed, so exhausted, and you get so confused that you simply grab the most simplest item, the most approachable one, and you wear it on repeat and let the rest of the pieces stay at rest. It's very normal to feel like that. It's with everybody. If your wardrobe gets crowded, your mind gets crowded as well. Stay with me if you really want to fix this problem. This is going to be a very short video. As the season gently shifts and we move from winter to spring, then it's the best time to refresh your wardrobe. Now, I want you to pull everything out of your closet, keep it aside, grab a piece, and ask yourself the simple questions. These 5 simple questions, there is no rocket science behind it, just simple questions. Does this piece fits me well now? Even now, does it fits me well? Second, again, very important, is it in a very good condition? Is it in a condition I can rewear? Third, would I buy this again? Like, if given an opportunity, would I buy something like this? Fourth, have I worn it in the previous 2 years? And last, do I feel confident wearing it? Is it still something which I may look forward to wear? Trust me, by answering these simple questions, you will clear all the clutter and will make space for something which truly serves your style. I mean, you can keep a few pieces if they have any sentimental importance, but for everything else, don't do that. Every piece should have its space. You can't have a wardrobe full of pieces that are sentimentally important to you, but they don't fit you. Do you really think that's practical? How will you make space for things that are truly your size? Tell me, how will you? You will observe that when you remove pieces from your wardrobe that no longer aligns with you, you actually make place for newer things. So, my dear ladies, stop procrastinating, go clear your closet so that you get an opportunity to buy new, fresh pieces because now you have created yourself some space. If this video helped or you found it useful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Happy spring.